Nearly every portrait artist has looked at a high-quality watercolor painting and thought, wow, I really wish I could do that. Maybe you've tried watercolors and didn't have great success. Or maybe you've been told never bother because it's too difficult, dries out before you can fix things, and the results you get might look like a first grader painted it. Well, believe us when we say that you can do this. You can paint portraits with watercolor and create gorgeous pieces of art that will be treasured for generations to come. How can you do that? The absolute best way to discover how to confidently paint portraits with watercolor is to learn from a master. And in this instructional video, you'll be learning from one of the best. This is Mario A. Robinson Watercolor Portraits, a step-by-step tutorial that will help you in your quest to become a highly skilled watercolor portrait painter. As you watch and paint right along with Mario, you'll begin to see for yourself how to maximize on every characteristic of watercolor painting. The block end phases, adding local color, developing the color and value, using brush techniques to sculpt and unify your painting. It's all here for you. A highly acclaimed artist, author, and instructor, Mario will break every myth about watercolor. You'll be mesmerized as he shows you how to overcome each hurdle. Drips, hard edges, too fast drying times, and color variations, all the things that keep you from getting better at watercolor painting or from even trying it for the first time.
You can't underestimate the importance of values. You know, when you look at a painting and it reads very pleasing to the eye, you don't really know why, because value rarely gets a lot of attention, but it really is a super important component of painting.
Mario takes you through nearly every stroke of his paintbrush. He not only tells you what he's doing, but why he's doing it, and how it will help you in your own paintings. You'll be missing out on one of the best watercolor portrait lessons ever created if you don't add this video to your collection of resources. With over 5 hours of instruction, you are getting a comprehensive guide to nearly every aspect of painting portraits with watercolor. Become a better watercolor artist and a better portrait painter now with Mario A. Robinson Watercolor Portraits. Order your DVD or digital download today.